喺英國嘅 weekend 有咩做？睇 YouTube 大家都係過得多姿多彩，而我就嚟嚟去去都係圍繞住食嘢、大風、食嘢、大風同埋食嘢。Whitstable 就係一個最好嘅例子，位於英國東南面嘅一個沿海小鎮，夠晒大風啊！被啲風聲冚過晒，完全聽唔返之前講咗啲咩。呢度盛產生蠔，每年都會有一個 Oyster Festival。就算唔食蠔，呢度都會有其他海鮮選擇嘅。不過一場嚟到唔係唔食啊嘛。啲 uncle 真係開得好快手，又真係開得好乾淨噶。勁食生蠔正式開始啊！首先就食半打先。冇記錯呢半打係大概9磅到，抵過係 Borough Market 食嘅。
Oyster Round 1。好味，好味啊 ！I am perfectly fine. There you go. Yeah, and then. That looks disgusting on camera. I'm not gonna lie.
Conan 唔食生蠔，所以我自己一個食晒啊，唔怕嘅，獨食難肥啊嘛。跟住我哋又去試第二間啦，純粹係見到人排，我哋又去排。
Compared the other one is better because it's more pricier. Just pound difference.
We're hoping that the pound will make the difference.
Yeah.
Round 2, 6 more.
Total 貴1磅，係咪真係會好味啲呢？定因為呢間係近門口呢？
Barking at the child. Here we go. The second batch of oysters. Would we say these are smaller than? These are smaller, aren't they?
But it's fresher.
Fresher?
Because they open it right away. The other they kind of pre-open.
Okay, so these, we're going to say are fresher. Oyster Round 2.
It's sweeter, I think.
Sweeter?
Yeah. The other is quite salty. Where is everyone?
Oh, well, have a second tasting. Give it a shout.
This way.
Yeah, this is fresher.
Fresher. Which is better? Are we, by the sounds of it sounds like the extra £1 has paid off.
Yeah, I don't know why.
These are better.
Yeah.
These are, oh, fair enough. So second one wins.
呢度亦都有呢一個市集呢，就賣下一啲手作啊、畫啊，亦都有其他嘅一啲小食同埋嘢飲嘅。
Do you know what I find funny about our like food stalls? So overpriced. No, but it's so overpriced. This is street food, right? And look how expensive it is.
What are you filming actually?
The conversation of you.
I'm in the frame.
嚟到海邊又點少得 fish and chips 呢？
Why the tea looks like?
That's tea.
And not British now? My tea doesn't look like this, a challenge.
Tea looks like this. When we go home and have a tea, you'll see.